Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with what the official SAT study guide is and what it includes. A full description of the exam scored on a 1,600 scale, and a reminder that the test takes 3 hours when taken without the optional essay. The book catalogs question types you will face in evidence-based reading and math, provides official practice questions with detailed answer explanations, and shows sample scored essays to illustrate rubric expectations. Use the guide to learn scoring rules, timing constraints, allowed materials, and how each question maps to tested skills. Create a structured 8-week study plan that fits your schedule. Study 5 days per week with sessions of about 60 minutes, and reserve 1 weekend block for a full-length 3-hour practice test. Schedule 2 diagnostic or formative full-length tests early and mid-plan, then a final timed test in week 8 to simulate test day. Each weekday session should split into about 40 minutes of focused practice questions and 20 minutes of targeted review, tracking error patterns and adjusting weak topics like algebra, grammar, or passage analysis. Prepare for test day by simulating exact conditions. Complete at least 3 timed, 3-hour practice tests under quiet conditions with only permitted materials and the same pacing you will use on test day. On test morning, arrive 45 minutes early with a photo ID, admission ticket, 2 pencils, an approved calculator, and a watch. Avoid last-minute cramming. During the exam, pace sections by question clusters, mark hard items to revisit, and preserve 5 to 10 minutes at the end for a final pass and answer checks to reduce careless mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.